Don't freak out. When having a home inspection done on a property that you're buying, it can seem very daunting and a little scary. What we're going to talk about today are the 3 different categories for those home inspection callouts to help take a load off your mind. Hi, I'm Matt Huneycutt with the Whissel Realty Group, and today we're going to unpack the 3 criteria for your home inspection callouts. First and foremost, malfunctions. Anything with a property that's not operating correctly, like a dishwasher or an appliance of some sort, refrigerator, it just doesn't work. The second level is anything that is a health and safety issue. It might be functioning correctly on the surface, but it could be creating an unsafe condition in the background, such as a carbon monoxide leak coming from a furnace or from a water heater, for example. And the third level is anything that needs attention. These are items that are not imminently dangerous now, but they may cause pains or cost you money down the road. When looking at a home inspection report, it's imperative that we break these things down into their categories. That way you, as a home buyer, know where you want to put down your goalpost. What items are you willing or not willing to accept the seller to repair or not repair in order for you to move forward with the transaction? In most cases, you get the opportunity to request repairs, essentially ask the seller to either take action by paying you a credit or just fixing the items for you before close of escrow. You, as a homeowner, might come across some conditions that you're not comfortable with, and you'd want to know right then and there if the seller's willing to do that or not. You will move forward with the transaction or not. Knowing the difference between needs attention, health and safety, and malfunction items can help put that into perspective for you. For a better breakdown of these items or what constitutes a health and safety or a malfunction or a needs attention, feel free to reach out to me today. I'm Matt Huneycutt with the Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for watching.